See, guys, if you have been posting and you are not getting the views, do not be discouraged. I repeat, do not be discouraged. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling us the reason why you should keep posting even if you are not getting the views, all right? So, if you know you're interested in this video, sit back, relax, and watch till the end, okay? Because this video is very, very impactful. All right, guys, without wasting much of our time, let us dive right into the video. Now, as you all might have already know, on this YouTube streets, we are all learning, okay? Nobody can say that he or she is an expert in this YouTube street, all right? We learn as we navigate the YouTube street, all right? So today, I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be talking to you based on my own personal experience and observation, all right? Yes, I'm going to be telling the reason why you should keep posting even if you're not getting the views from my own experience and observation, okay? Now, let us move right into it. Now, the very first thing you have to note is it can take a video you publish 2 to 3 days to be fully processed. Yes, exactly. You need to know that. Now, you will notice that sometimes when you post a video, within the first 2 days, that video might not pick up. All right. Now, much later, maybe as from the third day, you will see that video picking up and gaining views. This is because the first few hours of you posting a video, the video is actually still processing. Yes. Now, when your video is still processing and you already discouraged that you're not getting the views, it means that you're not patient enough to let YouTube analyze and process your videos properly. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Now, you need to be patient, very, very patient on this YouTube area because your videos can pick up at any point in time. Yes, that you posted a video today does not mean that that video will definitely pick up immediately. No, there are videos that can even stay for like a month before they will pick up. There are videos that you will find out. For instance, there was a video I saw recently. The person actually posted a video 2 years ago. That video did not pick up 2 years ago. That video picked up in 2014. It's in this 2014 that YouTube is recommending the video to people, and the video had like 300 and something K views. So you can imagine, as when this person was discouraged then when she posted that video, you can imagine what could have happened now. And now she's earning. She's gaining the dividends from that video, all right? Because she wasn't discouraged. She kept on posting. So I need you to understand that, yes, at times we might post and we will not see the views we're expecting and we'll end up being discouraged or disheartened. No, do not be discouraged. Do not be disheartened, okay? Keep pushing, keep doing what you are doing because one day, your struggle will definitely pay off, all right? So I need you to understand this fact very, very well, okay? That you posted a video today and the video is not doing well doesn't mean that that video will not pick up tomorrow. Many people have actually testified to this, to what I'm telling you right now, okay? I was equally watching a video of, I think Vibe with Sonia, yeah, where she talked about a particular video that didn't pick up. In fact, she never even expected the video to pick up. And all of a sudden, the video picked up. And she was sharing how much she made from that video. And this was just a random video that she dropped. She wasn't really expecting the video to even pick up. And the video did not even pick up for like, I think after a month or so. All right. So you see the reason why you should keep posting, because you are one video away from your target. Yes, just keep posting even if you're not getting the views. One day that video will definitely pick up and you will be surprised, at the progress of that video. Okay, so my brothers and sisters, this is actually a very short video, but I really want to talk to people out there because I know that many people usually feel discouraged once they post and they're not seeing the effect or they're not seeing the views, so they end up giving up. Do not give up, all right? Do not give up. Personally, like I said, this is from my own personal experience and observation, okay? Most times when I post my videos take about 3 days, 3 to 4 days to pick up. In fact, when I've even lost hope, when I've forgotten that I actually posted a video, I will not be getting notifications from my YouTube studio, maybe comments, and and I will not check and I will be like, wow, when did this particular video pick up? So this happens. I mean, YouTube is real. Like, this is a very, very good platform for you to be on. So do not lose hope as you are improving and working on yourself, you are equally building yourself, okay, and you're equally earning from the process. So guys, I believe these few words has been of help to someone or to many people out there. Okay, do not give up on your YouTube channel. Keep pushing because you will get there. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. All right, give this video a massive thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section if you wish to. Subscribe to the channel so that we can keep growing, and most importantly, share this video because someone out there might actually be in need of this video. Okay, so guys, till I see you guys in my next video, bye for now.